Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Dream Driven X. In the last video, I have discussed about the startup screen of the Excel 2021. In this video, I will explain about the user interface of Excel 2021. In the Home tab, you can able to see n number of templates. So here, I will be going with the blank workspace. So I have launched the blank workspace. This is the user interface of Excel 2021. Whenever you open any blank workspace, this is the window you will get open. This topmost area, this entire workspace, we call it as ribbon. So here you can able to see file, home, insert, all these things we call it as tabs. So whenever you want to switch from one tab to another tab, it is pretty much easier to switch. For example, let me click on file. It will open that tab, home, insert. It will show some different options. If whatever you have to insert in this Excel sheet. Similarly, we have page layouts if you want to insert any formulas or if you want to deal with any set of data. So here, this particular window, we call it as tab. This entire screen, we call it as ribbon. And this one, this particular option, we call it as command group. The topmost area which you are seeing here is known as quick access toolbar. This quick access toolbar will not be available by default in Excel 2021. If you want to turn it on, you can able to click on any part of this header. So here you can see home, insert, page layout. You can right click anywhere. So once you right click on it, you will be getting this option called customize the ribbon. Click on customize the ribbon. Here you will have n number of Excel option which you want to customize based on your Excel sheet and its requirement. So here to provide quick access toolbar, you can able to see there is an option. This option will not be by default available in Excel 2021. You have to enable it. So you can able to see there is one checkbox which is not selected by default. You have to select this checkbox. Show quick access toolbar below the ribbon. So once you select it, here itself you can able to, so once you select it, you can able to see there are three options which are available in quick access toolbar like save, undo and redo. So let me click on OK. So here you can able to see this quick access toolbar is shown below of the ribbon. Why it is showing in the bottom means because by default what is that checkbox is selected is you can see the checkbox show quick access toolbar below the ribbon. That is the reason why this quick access toolbar is showing below the ribbon. What are the three options it is showing? Save, undo and redo. These are the three options. If you want to show this quick access toolbar above the ribbon, what you can do is near to this quick access toolbar, you can able to see this arrow mark, customize quick access toolbar. Once you click it, you can able to see there is one option which is showing show above the ribbon. Once you select it, it will this particular quick access toolbar will be displayed above the ribbon. So currently only three options I have customized in the quick access toolbar, which is save, undo and redo. If you want to add multiple options, you can select it here itself. For example, if you want to open a new window, you can select it. If you want to open any existing file, you can select it. Quick print, whichever options are required, you can able to add it in the quick access toolbar. So what is the advantage of using this quick access toolbar is instead of going to each tab and searching the particular item, if you add the item which you are using n number of time in the quick access toolbar, it will save us the time. Okay, it is up to us. It is not compulsory that we have to add this option. If you are familiar with this option, you can add it and you can use it accordingly. If you want to add it below of the ribbon also, you can select this, or if you want to add it above the ribbon also, you can select it according to the requirement. So it is not that only these options I can add. So once you right click on this particular tab and customize the ribbon, if you go for quick access toolbar, you can see here whatever options I have added, it is displaying here. From here also you can add. For example, I want to add this save as. select this save as and click on OK. So that save as options will also be added to the quick access toolbar, right? So this is another option which we are familiar with, which is quick access toolbar. If you want to save this worksheet, instead of going with file, save or save as, you can simply click on save here. It will automatically save my particular workspace. If you want to hide the ribbon, there is an option here at the top. You can able to see ribbon display options. Once you click on that, if you click on auto hide ribbon, the entire ribbon will be hidden. Again, if you want to show, just click on that, and if you click on show tabs, it will show only the tabs. I said right, file, home, insert, all these are known as tabs. Only it will be showing that. Similarly, if you are selecting show tabs and command, it will show the entire ribbon here. Because what does ribbon contain? Ribbon contains a combination of tabs and as well as the command group. So that's why this particular entire screen can be customized according to our requirement. If you want to go with the full screen option, you can just auto hide it so that it will select the entire screen here. Now let us talk about the bottom of this workspace. By default, one worksheet will be created. If you want to add multiple sheets together in a single Excel sheet, you can able to add, click on plus icon so that multiple sheets will be added. So once you right click here, you can able to see this activate window is getting open. So this activate window contains vertical list of all sheet names which are available in my work group. So you can select whichever worksheet which are required directly from this activate window. And similarly, on the right hand side, you can able to see the zoom slider. By default, it will be in 100%. If you want to zoom this workspace, you can just click on zoom in, and then you can able to zoom out. So these are the different options which are available in the user interface of Excel 2021. This is the pretty simple user interface of Excel 2021. In the next set of videos, I will be start posting about working on a blank workspace. I will be applying certain formulas. I will be working with some charts, all those things. Thank you everyone. If you like this particular content, like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel Dream Driven X. Thank you, everyone.